I go to show you this Nerf N-Strike Elite Disruptor, and it is so nice gun by Nerf. And I open up this ties because I want to consider that if it is not broken or properly working. And this here written caution and distance that its darts covered is 90 feet, so long. And in back all important things items. So let's take it out. So whoa, this beautiful gun. So here is 6 darts rotating drum, slide and trigger. You sometimes not know that if you primed it or not. So see, here is a slit. You see here is no orange object but a little right here in between. If you primed it like this, primed it up like this, see, you know that you primed it up. See, here is all orange object, so that's good. And every time you shoot it, you see, after shooting that the rotating drum moves, you see that. So let's take it out more things from that's included in this box. So I open it up, and here is darts, 6 foam darts and instruction. Very simple instruction that I know. So it's too much good gun. I like this. I take out foam darts. I reload it up, and I show to you. You see this? That is fires. Oh, so long. Oh, one on the table. Sometimes it gets stuck, but that's not a big problem. So I want to show you from different angles, and I will show you from different angles. So you will see this. Whoa. So it gets stuck one more time, but that's not a big problem. See this, how it goes. Whoa, that's so long. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe, and thank you.